In this video, I'll show you how to send money from the USA to Kenya. So for doing this, personally I would use Remitly since they have very good exchange rates, you don't pay any fees on your first transfer, and they have a bunch of delivery methods for the recipient in Kenya. So if you want to use Remitly, you can just head over to remitly.com and then just set it to the United States as your country, and then for the receiving country set it to Kenya right here. Now once you've done that, you can enter how much you would like to transfer. For example, I'll set it to $50 US, and then click on get this rate. Now if it's your first time using Remitly, you will need to create an account. I already have one, so I'll sign into my account, but the account creation is very simple. So then from there you'll see something like this, so sending to Kenya, gonna click on send money, and then click continue sending. Now here you can choose the delivery method, so you can do mobile money, bank deposit, cash pickup, or a debit card deposit, whichever one works best for your recipient. I'll go with mobile money, and in this video I'll use M-Pesa. From there enter your recipient's first and last name, and enter their phone number. Now if you selected a debit card deposit, bank transfer, or cash pickup, you will need to enter slightly different details, but just enter whatever details they request. They can choose if you want the recipient to receive text notifications with transfer updates, and then you need to select a payment method for how you want to pay for the transfer. If you do it with a card, it delivers instantly. If you use a bank account, it delivers in 3 to 6 days. I'll use a card and click continue. Now here just enter your own details if it's your first transfer, and your payment details, then click review details. You will then see an overview of how much you're sending to who, as well as your own details. Make sure all of it is correct, and if it is, confirm the transfer, and after confirming it and paying for it, the money will be on its way to your recipient in Kenya. So that's how to transfer money from the USA to Kenya. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.